Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your graphics card working on your Gigabyte motherboard. So I'm just going to turn off my computer and then restart it, and then I'm going to hit the delete key. Now on your setup, I have one of the later versions. It shows if I press the delete key, this will enter the BIOS menu for me. So I could see it down there, it said delete, go to the BIOS setup. So yours could be like F8 or something, F10, F11 or something like that, or just try the delete key like I did. But my BIOS date is September 2nd, 2024, so that's relatively new. So to get your graphics card working, update your BIOS to the latest version. This could improve your frames per second, and also it'll give you more options. Like if you're trying to update in as 2028 or something like that, and your BIOS is set to 2024, you might not have the option for your graphics card. So we want to go to MIT, miscellaneous right here, and switch your configuration over from auto to, like, I don't know, maybe Gen 3, or in the future Gen 4 or 5. So just go to the latest one. That should work with your graphics card. So this is the 16 slot, and then here's my PCIe slot configuration. I just put those both to the latest one. Unless you got a really old graphic card in there, that's not even Gen 3, you might have to go to a different one, Gen 2 or 1. So just switching over here, and then we can go to escape. And if you need to update your motherboard, go to Q Flash right here. You can update your BIOS with an update file from Gigabyte, put it onto this little USB, go over here, and then go to update from that USB, and it should update. Now make sure you go to save and exit right here, so it actually saves, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.